Alright, Austin, how you guys doing? Okay, let's go. Are you ready for South by Southwest?
Let's go!
I'm ASOBOiSM from Japan. Let's have fun tonight. Let's go. ないもんねだり、ないもんねだり、ないもんねだり。 will be so easy, so you can sing out with me. Are you ready? Let's go. なのに全員カテゴライズ金髪なる不真面目見た目半分つまんない観覧車に傍観者人の見る目にあってもない好きなようにすればってしてもヘラってかけのがCategorizing Categorizing You just see what's inside of me. Let's go Categorizing Everybody sing with me Categorizing One more time Categorizing Yeah Don't judge me Give me so give me shit Shout out chants emotional あなたって本当に強い弱いの別に日によろし画面越し言葉君とって判断簡単じゃないのよだから So what だから何 So what だから何 So what だから何一人だって言ってしまう Let's go Categorizing Categorizing You just see what's inside of me Categorizing 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 Don't judge me 話す言葉一人手に大きい瞬波動多種多様に読み取り深読みしてちょっと分かったふり Get over freedom 言えば何でもいい派 I say 個性押し付け個性消せよ Listen to this 青春ぶるやばいやつそこら中だし I do what I wanna do 好きにやる Let's go からはニューフェイス勝ち取ったんだわ僕なり言わ俺はそれくらいないで春に入ってく世界自己中な君らはやめてよ魅力にならないかなその程度もう Please 清に慎重に主張偏った判断緊張にしろ Let's go Categorizing Categorizing You just see what's inside of me Categorizing 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 Don't judge me Categorizing 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 You just see inside of me Categorizing Thank you so much Hello, hello, hello. What's up, Austin? Okay. I need to take a break. The full energy. And thank you for coming tonight. My name is ASOBOiSM. Nice to meet you. So, y'all know that because this is a Tokyo night. But I'm from Japan, based in Yokohama. Do you know Yokohama? So my name, ASOBOiSM, it's very tricky, right? Yeah, so ASOBO meaning play, like let's play in Japanese. Like when you are kids, like, hey, ASOBO, that means like let's play, you know? So I named my name as ASOBOiSM because I don't want to forget like ASOBO hurt, you know, like if you're an adult, you need an ASOBO hurt. So I want to check if Austin people have ASOBO mind. Cool. Okay, let me hear say ASOBO. ASOBO. Monto ASOBO. Let's say ASOBO. She doesn't. She said she's not enough. Okay, let's get again. Okay. She said she wants more. You want more, right? Yes. She's like Okay. ASOBO. ASOBO. Monto ASOBO. Let's say ASOBO. Yeah, that's so cool. me to take it off, huh? I'm really hot here. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, すみません. Okay, so how you guys doing, feeling tonight? Oh my goodness, there's a lot of people here. Wow. So this is my first time doing the show in US. So I didn't know if people are come here or not. And then you are here. Awesome. Is it Texas? Well, I went to Houston and then I went to the rodeo place. Yeah, and then I learned that Texas word it's howdy, y'all. That's correct, yeah. I get it. Good. I love Texas because well, actually, so South by Southwest was one of my biggest dreams to perform. It is because when I was 16 to 17, I lived in Texas, Houston, as an exchange student for a year. Yes. And you know what? Today, my Texas friends brought me here tonight. Yeah, shout out to them. They're so sweet. They helped me all the way through, and I'm so happy to be here because when I came back to Japan, I learned that I was in a band in the high school, you know? Yeah, so I learned that even if I don't speak English, I could get to know people through music, yeah, you know? So, yeah. So after I came back from Texas and I started my music career, it was 10 years ago. And then since then, at South by Southwest, I really wanted to come back here as an artist. So, oh my goodness, howdy y'all. Yeah, so what I want to tell you guys that if you keep dreaming, you can do it, unless you stop making it, you can get it. I can feel that. So, yeah, thank you for witness my dream come true day today. Thank you so much. So next song is a song is about this feeling. It's called Nothing Could Stop Me. Hey, everybody clap your hands, everybody. take a picture of you. Yo. Okay, I say howdy, y'all. So you say like howdy. That would be like really Texas. Okay. All right. Howdy, y'all. Howdy. No, my phone's dead now. Oh, she got it. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Howdy, y'all. Thank you for witnessing my first show in US. I brought business card. I don't know. You want?
Yeah, of course.
Also, my friends helped me with the merchandise. If you guys want to support me, I'll be appreciated for your donation. Yeah, I got my CDs and stickers and yeah. So I don't know if the card is enough for you. I hope it's not enough. Yes. But please just find me on Instagram. My name is ASOBOiSM. ASOBOiSM. Yes. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, so the next song will be the last song. You guys can sing that song. It's called You. On the foot, you just say you. So you got it. Okay. So thank you so much, y'all.
Yeah, let's go.
ありがとうございました。サウスバイスターズフライ。アソボイズムとマルメロでした。ありがとう。Let's song you. Let's go. 携帯だからで返事。相づち愛想は嬉しい。いつも通りあんたの話。飽きたわね。She's a female, something now. I don't know what I'm doing now. I'm speaking English now. I'm a Japanese now. Yeah, oh, I don't even make sense anything at all. Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay. Can I do one more time?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Are you ready? Oh, she's not ready. That means I can speak more. Yeah. So, are you guys from here? Oh, yes. Anyone who is not? Los Angeles. Oh, my goodness. Who's New York? Who's New York? Oh, yeah. Well, actually, I'm going to New York. Oh. That's it. Work now? Okay. She got it. Actually, we are going to visit New York, so please let me know which place you love. Brooklyn? Okay, I'll be there for sure. Okay, so are you guys ready for the last song? Okay, hit it. Woo! Thank you so much. I had so much fun today. Thank you so much. Hey, You are
知ってステータスじゃないしつるむやつが価値を見出し彼氏かったばっかの話飽きたわれて上からなんかアドバイス求めてない聞き流す欲しいのは正論じゃないです No 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 thank you 夢追いなんて私にはできないうるさいわ人の心配より自分磨いてのもぐない You always talking about you Sometimes me and I'm talking about you say Sometimes me and I'm talking about you You always talking about You always talking about So thank you so much for having us today My name is ASOBOiSM Please give shout out to DJ Luvraw too Thank you so much Thank you so much ありがとうございました Oh yeah, we want to take a picture. Can somebody take up there and take? Somebody. Oh really? Perfect. Thank you so much. Oh, I mean like a selfie. I'm gonna take it here, right here, yeah. The second is Okay. Hi, cheese. One more time. Hi. Shout out to Tadaku. Okay. Cheese. Thank you so much. After my show, so a lot of Tokkou artists are really remarkable. So please stay and watch them and have fun. Yeah, thank you so much.